edge.
Ed's really angry.
That's why I was lifting from here.
That's where I was lifting from.
Like that. No, it's there. It's needed. What have you done? What do we do with you?
Get a higher car.
Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, the S2000, Ed's Honda S2K is getting some loving.
Finally.
Finally, some good loving.
So, courtesy of Liam at Kaizen, change for the better, I have a Decat Tegiwa pipe.
Ooh.
The old cat is off. Look at that beauty. 500 quid of the best money you'll ever get. So we're just about to take the O2 sensor out, or the lambda sensor out, whatever you call it. I do know what these elbow things are now.
Right.
So,
That's
fingers
good.
crossed.
Because Dale, when I got my exhaust on the Accord, Dale just kept going, oh, the elbow. And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. And he kept just saying elbow.
Yeah, basically it's like a little elbow with a thread on the end of it and a thread on the other end. 9 quid on eBay.
Stops your engine management light.
Yeah, because
Boom.
it restricts the air going to the O2
Yeah.
sensor. That's pointing me.
Good old
Dave,
elbows.
Because Dave told me that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dave doesn't want to be on camera.
No. So let's go and look at what we've done.
He has been on camera before, but in a picture, and it was his hands and part of his leg. With my disgusting sump in front of him.
He was a hand model for Estee Lauder in the 1980s.
It's not that old.
He is.
Dave, how old are you?
35.
He's younger than us!
Oh, we said at the same time.
Okay, let's go look at this lovely bit of Tegiwa kit. And then hello.
I don't need to say hello. So, Ed, talk us through what's been done so far.
Well, our good friend Dave, the mechanic, has taken out the old Decat and we've put in new spring bolts here and here. We had to do a bit of heating up and I don't think he cut. We didn't cut, Dave, did we? No. We did cut. So a bit of cutting involved. So we've got two nice new spring bolts in there. New donut gasket, all came from Tegiwa. I've just taken out the bung there to put the O2 sensor back in. And yeah, 1, 2, 3 bolts in there, all nice and sealed up, and it's ready to go. Dave's just taken out the old O2 sensor now, the old Cat. We're going to hook that up and then we'll hear her purr.
Well, we'll probably have to go somewhere else to hear her purr properly.
But I've got semi-6 on because we can't hoon it too back.
Two
hard.
back?
Two pack. We can't hoon it two pack.
Right, notorious BIG head.
Yeah, because they've been very slippy on the way out here. But yeah, mate, it's nice and clean under here. It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. There's a tyre there.
Yeah, no, yeah, I just walked into it. That was the vibration on the camera, was my head hitting
look,
the tyre.
do you want to see my Exo Racing sun plug? Oh, look at that. Even Alex proof there, look.
Oh.
Engine oil with an arrow.
Yeah. I'm not actually that special with dealing with car
Yeah,
stuff,
mate.
Ed.
So yeah, and you can see the 720 coilovers too.
Yep, the nice mint green,
Yep, nice.
lady green.
So mate, that looks nice. Now look, so we now have a Decat and cat back single exit exhaust system.
He comes over here, and Ed's hand's in the way.
Look at that baby boy.
Beautiful.
That is a baby boy, isn't it?
Is it a baby boy? Is that what?
Okay. I tell you what though, when I start this one up, if you think Jesus wept in one of our last videos, he's gonna piss his pants in this one. Estee Lauder 1980s.
Who's the hand model?
I'd expect Dave's hand to be more callous. He obviously moisturises.
In Zoolander, who was the hand model? Oh, it's David Duchovny.
I
in
can't-
Zoolander.
I
He
haven't
was the
watched
hand
that.
model and he had his hand in a massive like globe.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I
it was
remember.
David Duchovny. He made not the same things. It's hardcore, isn't it? This is like hardcore stuff here. This is proper engineering mechanical. This is going on Viewborn tonight.
Oh, you want to see it come out?
If it comes out.
If we get a comment saying, like from a, I don't know, a fragrance company or a beauty company saying, whose hands are those? We want to use them in our next like lotion campaign. Should we pass our details on to you, Dave?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah? Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Nope, slipped.
If at first you don't succeed, try
Keep heating it up.
again.
At least Alice so let's see. Do you reckon he does the dishes?
Yeah.
His hands up on.
I've got a dishwasher.
Yeah, what happens?
The hands that
Are soft and leaves touching your face. Mild green.
I'm definitely cutting this out.
Oh, okay.
I'm definitely cutting it out. Trying to get you to the tip, yeah, with your car-based / Harry Potter-based Tourette's.
Yes. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
better than it did before, I think, and it's cold, so that's going to be intriguing.
That's all right, mate. That's all right. That's nice. I thought it'd been really stupid.
Yeah, but you haven't put your foot on the throttle yet, Ed.
I'm not allowed.
I know you're not allowed.
Good.
Yeah, that sounds nice. Meaty.
Oh.
So Ed's still sat in the S2000 because he's gone for an extra drive. I even stopped and got in the car because of how much freer that car feels.
Oh,
How much freer does it feel, Ed?
oh, it feels amazing, mate. It feels like a different car with that Decat on. It was just roaring. It just feels more throttly,
Yeah.
more responsive, and I've got a more aggressive VTEC. As we just went for a drive. The VTEC was so aggressive.
The VTEC is insane.
Yeah, and there's a bit of a kickback.
Yeah.
And a bit of a not a burble, but what do they call it?
Overdrive.
No. When you dump a bit of fuel in it, it makes a little pops and bang.
That's the same sort of
There's
thing.
like a little bit of cut back into the Decat.
Yeah, there
sort
is,
of thing.
yeah.
So yeah, it's a lot freer. Sounds amazing. I've got
It really does.
It's not as drony.
No.
It's because it's a lot freer. There's no rattling going on the old Cat.
Before the Decat, it was
Yeah.
more raspy.
Raspy,
And now
drony.
it's like,
Yeah.
it's a nice epic sort of boom.
Yeah, and we went for a lovely spin and I've fallen back in love with it.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's understandable.
Yeah, every time-
Well, it's more your car now, isn't it?
It is because I've been doing stuff to it. So
You've got your wheels on it.
Yeah.
You've got your exhaust on it. You've decatted it.
Yeah,
It's a lovely bit of kit.
yeah.
I mean, do you want to start her up and give her a couple of little blips?
Yeah, we are in a public car park.
We are in a public car park. Yeah, that's right. Do you know where we are? Let me just show everyone.
Other supermarkets available.
There are, but I mean, I shop at Sainsbury's, so I don't know what that says about me.
So middle class. Ooh.
Well, you know what they
I
say.
go fucking Lidl's, mate.
That's just very loud.
It's insane.
And the white smoke you're seeing is from mine and Ed's breath because it's really cold, isn't it, Ed?
Is it smelly?
Yeah.
Well, our breath, yeah.
Yeah.
I brush every day.
So
Do you
I.
floss?
I don't know.
I don't think I can.
No, I definitely
Can
can't
you?
do that. No. But yeah, another Christ. Another achievement unlocked. Leveling up the S2K a bit more.
Manny next. Manifold.
Yep.
Yep.
We both need to get manifold sorted.
I'm
don't we?
going to go for the Jap Speed manifold.
And I'm going to go for whatever Dale on a mission can get me.
Well, to be honest, I've got the Tegiwa Decat. Maybe I'll ask Liam what he can get a Tegiwa manifold
yeah.
for.
Yeah.
Or Tegawa, whatever you want to call it. And then
Tegawa.
yeah. I'm still tempted to go back to dual exit.
Yeah.
Because I can't get single exit's more power.
Yeah.
More Jap.
That's it.
Yeah.
And to be fair, you know, I've got a dual exit.
We don't need four, do we, in the
No,
channel?
no,
And
not at all.
logo's only got one.
No.
Yeah.
So it's all good.
The name of the logo is Lucy Logo.
Lucy Logo?
Yeah, the previous owner, not Rich before, but the one before, he called her Lucy.
So you're calling her
I'm
Lucy?
calling Lucy, yeah.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
fair enough.
Little Lucy.
Little Lucy.
Little Lucy Logo.
And more content on the logo coming, more content on the Accord coming, and more content on the S2K coming.
We've got
So
content.
we have got content. And
Content,
you either like it or you don't, and we don't give a shit.
Yeah.
So it's all good. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and we're also on all forms of social media. So that's also great.
Yes.
And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
Jesus just pissed his pants.
He really
With
did.
that exhaust. Yeah.
Ooh.